Hello and welcome back to Riddle. In this step we're going to be doing a spot the difference type of question, which is where you have two images that are exactly the same except for a few changes that you make to one of those, to a copy of that image, as we have here. So there's a film set here, and the audience has to click where the differences are. You can see I've done that already here and found all my 4 hotspots. So let's create this now. In our riddle, click on Add a Block and choose Spot the Difference. And perhaps we can say click or tap on the differences between these 2 film sets. Okay, and then we've got our 2 blocks or 2 sections for our images here. One under original image and one under compare image. I've downloaded 2 images from Pexels that I'm going to drag and drop into these 2 boxes. So let's go in here, and our original one is this film set here. And then I'm going to add the modified one into compare image. Okay, once you've got them in there, you can see that by default this first hotspot has been created, and we've got 4. So I'm going to click on Add Hotspot and get 3 more. And what you can also see is that, it creates them on both automatically, and B, if I move it around, for example, on the bottom one or on the top one, it does this, it reflects it by default and automatically in the other one. So you only have to work with one at one time, and whatever changes you make will be translated into or transferred to the other one as well. So let's put in the hotspots in the right place. So we've got one here with the flowers, one down here with the space. We've got one here on the table with the ball here. And one is the actual table itself. So let's do that there. Maybe I'll make it a bit bigger to give someone a bit more chance. Okay, and you can see they're all in both. Okay, let's have a look what it looks like. Okay, excellent. We've got our 2 images there, and I'd just like to change some of the options now. As always, click on the options icon and I'll change the lives to 3. And the thing I'm most concerned with here is the scoring. So what I'd like to do is to change it to answer again, so that I can have 1 point per correct hotspot found. So we've got set that up here, and what I'd also like to do is to put in an answer explanation, so that's enabled, and perhaps we can write this set is from the film The Hobbit. All right, let's go on to preview, and here we are. And what you can see as well is that you have these lives on the left, but what you also have is how many hotspots you found on the right. So you can see here, I found them all, and I've got all my lives there as well. And here we've got that answer explanation. But oh no, I'd like it to appear underneath the question, not as a pop-up. So perhaps you remember how to do that. Here, change that to below question, and then so here, for example, now you can see I've only got 1 life left, but I found 1. Okay, I've lost my lives, and here I've got that answer explanation at the bottom now. Excellent. So that's our spot the difference block type. Play around with that. If you have any questions, let us know at academy@riddle.com or on the support chat. And I'll see you in the next video for our next steps in creating our riddle.